We belonging to the LGBTQ community are not yet fully accepted in the Philippines. What has been your contribution to improving the image of its member in society, and why is this important?
Wow, that's a very tough question for me, ladies and gentlemen. For the audience tonight, I would like to say that it is still sad that we LGBTQIA plus members are still not accepted in our own country. We always face criticism, discrimination, and so forth. But you know what, ladies and gentlemen? That one thing is for sure, that this transgender in front of you has always a walkable purpose here in this society. Ladies and gentlemen, hindi sa pagmamayabang, ako po ay advocate ng sarili kong advocacy na kung tawagin natin ay
Piling ko maglalaban yung kay Roy tsaka
for
yung
nurturing
yung
our
Tinaw na.
nature. Because you know what, ladies and gentlemen, in the past 4 years, that we experience a severe pandemic.
Alam mo na kung
here in
saan
our
ite.
country. A lot of people
Alam mo na kung saan ite. Alam mo na kung anong ganda.
lost their studies, lost their jobs, and especially, hindi na nakakalimutan na din nila na pangalagaan ang ating kinakalikasan. Lalo na ngayon, na makaranas tayo ng tinatawag nating mga kalamidad. Sumasabay ba ang tinatawag natin na korupsyon na kung hindi tayo sa pagkubli nila sa budget, sa flood control, hindi tayo babain dito sa ating bansa. And one thing that I will contribute here in this country, it is my advocacy. Because I firmly believe, ladies and gentlemen, how can you tell to the neighbors na umabot ito
ano daw kasi
ng
contribution niya,
mataas,
di ba?
ng maagos,
Parang layo.
ng malayo, kung tayo mismo ang
Contribution niya, di ba?
nagtatapon ng basura at kumukulat ng budget para mapigilan ang pagbaha. Paano mo sasabihin sa mga puno na magpatatag ito kung tayo mismo mga tao ang gumagawa ng tinatawag natin illegal line? Ladies and gentlemen, sa ating mga tao, magsisimula ang gawa upang nang sa gayon, matanggaw tayo ng nasa paligid natin. And I firmly believe that having that kind of advocacy is a very big advantage for us LGBT to be accepted, not tolerated. Thank you and good evening.